Here's a little bit I wrote. You might want to trade it note for note. Don't worry, take profit. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit. Take profit. Don't worry, take a visit. Now you wait for that VWAP slap to hit. No namby-pamby out here chasing the bid. You hold your line. You hold your line. You hold your line. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Now don't you be a douche, canoe and cry. When you round trip your bag and wonder why. Take your small wins and your even smaller losses. The gang up in here trading like bosses. Ooh.
We don't worry. No, we don't worry. Don't worry. Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
We're making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital, my friend.
Don't worry. Take profit.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Brother, gang. What is going on, baby? Let's go. Bitcoin coming down, sweeping the low right now as we speak. Dumping or pumping. Yesterday, slow grind up. Today, triple top rollover. Are we going to go down eventually or what? Is this just going sideways and slowly up? Some frustrating price action lately, but hey ho, we've been crushing it. Doesn't really matter, up, down, all around. Let's jump into the chat. What's going on, gang? Good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Look at the gang out here, full force. God bless you guys. How we all doing? Good morning, good morning. Hopefully you're all doing well. Bitcoin, my God, yesterday, I mean, this here was torture, man. Torture. I got long here. I got out here, and that was it. $2,000. Done. Take it for what you can. I mean, we called the high yesterday. We called the low yesterday. I called the retest for the Discord. That was nice. Discord got the long here. And then some just chop, man. Like, look at this. From like 10 a.m. all the way till 4 in the afternoon. Just chop up, right? So, I mean, not easy. We are in the area of potential resistance right now. Good times. Good times. Hopefully we're all doing well. This is a lower high. 3 dries up at the highs here. Mitigation of the low. Bleeding out right now. NASDAQ. Kind of telling the story here, really. If we can see, we are Bart Simpson-esque right up top here. We were talking about this yesterday. Bart Simpson got like some weird-ass shoulder going on here, but looking to come back down into this area here. Wild times, man. It's good to be here. It's good to be ready to trade. Happy Thursday, everybody. Good morning. It will not dump until you admit we are bullish again. We'll see. I mean, lower and slower, baby. Lower and slower. I think we got to come here. 64,200, but just the way we've moved up, right? Like, this is just like liquidity all the way up here. Imbalance here. Lower high here. So a little bit of weakness failing to make a higher high. We were looking for shorts up top here. Doesn't mean we can't long up into here and then down to here. I mean, depends on price action right now. Right now, this thing's bleeding out. A little V-shaped recovery into lower high, continuation down right now, coming into market initial jobless claims. I think that's what's next, right? 8:30. I think that's correct. Initial jobless claims here. We're ready. Unemployment. We'll see. If you're unemployed and you're trying to become a day trader, I think you want to try and become a day trader from a position of strength. Not desperation, but a lot of people come to me in desperation, which is unfortunate, right? Which is unfortunate. I don't suggest people quit their jobs and stuff like that. That's always a that's always a shit show. Coming down here, looking to sweep the liquidity of the lows from over here. We'll see if we do want to come lower. We did give the buy level last night here for the family as well for this push here. So that was cha-ching. Good job, guys. Looking to sweep this low right now. Red line. Volume support as well. Thank you for being here, everybody. Good morning. Thank you for saying good morning. Dave Digital in the chat, my man. French Toaster, Rashad, Dependable. Good morning, guys. Marius, Kevin, how you guys doing? Norms, good morning, man. Like button initiated. Thank you for that. I do appreciate you guys slapping that like button. Thank you for being here and hanging out. Might be an opportunity here if we can take this low and then bounce. If we do get some like higher highs, higher lows in here, sweep, higher highs, higher lows, we could look to rotate into VWAP. Come for this liquidity up here. potential long scalp opportunity coming up, but we'll see. Like to see how price action behaves. 20 minutes till the initial jobless claims comes out as well. And then tomorrow's the big one, guys. Tomorrow's going to be unemployment rate, right? So we'll watch for that. What's going on, Trace? Good to see you, son of the king. G1, how you doing? Rashad Chantel, JR Prince, E-Ro, what's going on, man? Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Dusty. It's today's my grandparents' anniversary. The first person to guess how many years my grandparents have been married, I'll give you for non-Discord members, I'll give you a month free for Discord. There you go. There's my generosity today. First person to guess. I'm not looking right now. How long do you think my grandparents have been married for? I know. You should know. Crypto Titan, what's going on? My mates. Dusty, good to see you. Dave Digital. Martin, good to see you. Decent Crypto. Trey, how you doing, man? Good to see you. JR Prince. Tony Soprano, my man. How you doing, man? Proof of work? Good to see you. Toaster. Loco. Terry. With the, Terry, don't make me banging track. Yeah, don't make me talk about the strawberry story. Why I got fired from, that was my second job. I worked as a dishwasher busboy when I was 14, and then I worked for Foodland. We won't talk about my grocery store experience. Donato Cabrera, Loco for Crypto. Good to see you guys. Tracy. Sunny Black. Good morning. Madara. Good morning. Good to see you. Do you want a signal there, Sunny? Sunner. Sunir? We'll call you Sunir. Sunir. MM Miller, my man. How you doing? Hoto. God bless you. Thank you for the kind words in the Discord, man, and the testimonial. I appreciate that, man. Ever. Good to see you as well. Raymond. How you doing, bro? Coming down here. Pretty aggressive sell-off. NASDAQ rotation down. Not looking too hot. Okay. Lower highs all the way down. NASDAQ showing pretty good signs of weakness here. Gold is ripping, melting face. We're looking for a retest for gold. Tesla flat. SpaceX up a little bit pre-market, but obviously a 14% dump yesterday. So watching these as well coming into market open. We got 56, 69, 65, 61. I don't see the number yet, guys. I don't see the number. 53, 44, 63, 71. What do you think? My grandparents are prehistoric? I'm kidding. I gotta double check the number. I'm pretty sure what the number is. That's bad, eh? Yeah, I know the number. Yeah, I'm correct. It's fucking crazy, man. This is crazy. Let's say it's over 50 and it's below 70. Let's give you a range. You don't put, if you've put in like 6 numbers at a time, then you're cheating. Nick, and it's for non-Discord members, okay? Discord members, you guys get all the giveaways anyways. Medium Pekka, what's going on, man? Good to see you. How you doing? The Medium Pekka, Mini Pekka, Gigantic Pekka, they're all in the chat here. Burn the boats, good to see you. Mr. Pixel, how you doing? Hidek, Crypto Mel, how you doing? Dusty, good morning. There are only 2 good jobs that I know of. 2? Which ones? All right, let's go down the list. 50, 62, 57, 44, 63, 67, 65, 70, 69, 40, 69, dude, 60, 64, 67, still not there. Still not there. 66, Bitcoin champ. There you go, man. BTC champ. Come over to the Discord. You can get your Free months membership. Here you go. BTC champ. 66 years. That's fucking crazy, man. BTC champ. GG's in the chat for BTC champ. GG's. Come over and get a Discord membership. Try it out for a month. You won't regret it. Thank you for being here, BTC champ. 66 years they've been married. Holy smokes, man. My grandmother's 90. I'm allowed to disclose her age now. You know, you weren't allowed to tell anyone her age until she was, you know, in her late 80s. My granddad's 80, 89, so wild, man. That's crazy. 66 years. Thank you, Alexandra G. God bless you. Okay. There we go. Did anybody else get 66, or is that the only one? Oh, almost, Guile. Almost, man. McCall's just going full ham, man. That's wild. Almost there. Yeah, almost, man. That's wild. Next year you can shoot their anniversary golf goals. Yeah, right? Shoot a 67. What is that? 4 under? Oh, that's 5 under, typically. I'm happy if I've broken 80 twice. So I shot a 76 twice. 76. No way I'm shooting that this year. I've been playing bad this year. I shot a 92 and then an 84 in Toronto. My first round was horrendous. It was a hard track, but I typically shoot under 85. Typically I'm around 80's hard for me to get to, but the thing is I hit such and it's not bragging. I'm a midget, right? But you can ask Tradefly. I hit a fucking cooker of a driver. Like I hit a nice 290 yard drive pretty consistently. It's so I'm always like a pitching wedge 56. If I play whites, which I don't, I typically play blues because I can drive the greens on whites. But yeah. It's always funny playing with my boys. They're like double my size. And they're double my size, and I outdrive them by like 40 yards, which is funny. It's just I have trouble aiming my irons. I hit a very nice high draw, but I play the draw and it goes straight, or I hit it at the flag and it draws. There's no middle. There's no in between. And I'm a great lag putter, so I rarely 3-putt, and I can get up and down pretty consistently. Good bunker player, but I'm a wizard with my like long irons, like a 5-iron. I can hit a 5-iron 205 on a rope with like pretty good aim. I birdied a 5 last week. So I drove 270 drive, then a 243 iron. I have a sweet 3-iron, 243 iron onto the green over water. It was fucking epic, and then 2-putt for bird. It was sick. It was pretty sweet. I have like a pretty sweet long iron game. But yeah, par 4s just whoop my ass. Like, if it's not if it's long or short, it's typically the iron shot in is always, it's the second shot that kind of F's me, right? Didn't take the low right now. It's got to take the low here, guys. This is not easy price action to trade. Everybody here, what made me get into golfing? So like I've always been an athlete. Like I played very high-end baseball, tennis, hockey. You name the sport, I played it, all of them. Even weird ones. Like I used to be on a competitive paintball team. I love ping pong. Like it's just like everything. I'm a midget and I'm really good at basketball, like stuff like that. I've always played lots of sports. But I wanted to have a sport, and like I didn't play any golf. Really, I could hit the ball in golf, but I wanted a sport that I could play into my 80s, 90s. Like I wanted to have a sport that I could play forever. I also thought like if there's a business opportunity, it's typically going to be on a golf course. So I think like longevity wise and the association and the friendships and stuff, like not to say that all golf people are like business people, but you don't really find, business people in a pickup hockey game. You typically find the douchebags, right? Which is funny because, it's good banter, but it's typically a beer league. It's not like, let's go and play around and talk about our business portfolios or whatever, right? So it's association too. Culture kind of deal. It's a culture thing too. Like I didn't grow up like with lots of money, so it's nice to kind of see how some of them live too, It's a different world. So yeah, it was more of like a business / social / I can play it until I'm crippled kind of deal. I ain't gonna get up and lace the skates. I have my grandfather's friend. He's 91 and he still laces up the skates and plays pickup hockey. Crazy, man. This guy's like obsessive though. This guy's like health nut. Vince, God bless him. Nice little pushback doji in golfing. Pushback here. Equal lows. I don't like it, man. We're in the right spot to look for longs, but this bottoming structure sucks. If we came lower, I would have taken the long here, but on this candle, this is just fair value gap tap right now. This is what I'm looking for here. Fair value gap tap and then continuation down. NASDAQ, same thing. Yeah, into this area. Order block here. Yeah, so it was mostly for like having a sport to play, right? Good to see you, Melissa. Everybody say hello to Melissa, my 9th subscriber. Thank you, BTC champ. Make sure you get over to the Discord. Open up a ticket. We'll hook you up. I was getting good with my 64. You got a lobby lob wedge. That's wild. Don't you think it's actually easy to trade? Price reach resistance, go short. Isn't it simple? No. Trading's not simple. Otherwise, everybody would do it. Short king should be footy. Yeah, MexC is a short king, right? I play mini golf. That's what I play. I don't really play real golf, guys. I just go and play miniature golf. It's for everybody under 5'6". That's what I play. What are you talking about? I can putt it 280 inches. So we could go play golf, yeah? That's it, Trenchy. I try to play once a week. I'm taking this week off. I played 2 days in a row. Good morning. if you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. That's it, right? You gotta, you can't, it's about osmosis, right? It's, you put your ass in a chair around people. I call it osmosis. I don't know what you guys call it. But it's osmosis. You put your ass in a chair around people where you can absorb some good shit, right? Culture. I talk a lot of smack and stuff like this, but you come to one of our teaching sessions that we do in our Discord. Like yesterday, we went through our strategy, our 1, 2, 3 strategy. We break it down. We show you examples. I share everything I have, right? I try my best to educate and show you exactly what I see, right? I show you how to implement the strategy. I show you where not to take the trade, how to take the trade, how to wait for the trade, how to re-enter the trade if the first one fails. This is YouTube. This isn't the business. The business, you come into the Discord, I mean, it's a whole different animal. It's a good place to be. It's a good place to start. Okay, Solana needs to take the lows here too. Solana's been effing around with this liquidity. These two lows in here, imbalance as well. So looking for shorts back in here. ES, so flat, man. NQ. I still think NQ needs to come back and test. It's tapped this high here, so it has kind of come back, but I would prefer lower. Perfect 30K short on NQ is like unreal. So good psychological level, man. Look at that. Just ripper. Yeah, we're stuck up here, but we've reclaimed this range, so that's a good sign. But even if we do something really lame like this, and we would go from this high down, we would look to come back into this, right? Yeah. Got a couple bullish candles here. So this is enticing buyers, right? So like with bear market price action, when I see green candle like this, typically get one more green candle. This is not where I press the buy button. It's typically a trap to trap longs in a very clear downtrend, right? We mitigated the low here, right? We have triple top, distro, right? This is distro. Uptrending momentum broken. Down we go. Lower highs all the way down, so we should be expecting resistance here. Not necessarily going to take the short here, but that's general thought idea, right? And then we have that liquidity here. Same with Solana, right? We have a lower high here on the higher term time frames, right? So we have lower highs. So just being aware of where we're at, right? We're consolidating at the top. We're trying to push. We got 1 minute until initial jobless claims comes out, guys. So here we go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 250 people here. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a beautiful day. Thank you for being here. Like and subscribe, all that YouTube shit. Thank you for supporting the channel. I do appreciate you being here. We're looking for this thing to come in below 202. We'll see. No trade right now. Still waiting. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. Compounding the account. We just took $15,000 profit into the account. We're up almost $5,000 this week. The account's just under 40,000. Showing the trades, taking the trades every single day. Did about 2.5 yesterday. Nice little retest continuation trade. Very simple trade. And that's it, man. 199. Not too bad. 199. So coming in just below expectations. All right. Rotation down here. So there's our initial jobless claims coming down here. A little slap down. Slap and go here. No trade. Slap and go push up potentially here. NASDAQ push up. Yes. Biddy trying to go here. Solana higher low. Flagging out. Bear flagging. You ever been to the town in Ireland called Bear Flagging? They sell a beautiful cider. It's called Cummins. Have you ever had it? They also have another brand called Dixon's. One of the best brands of cider you've ever had. Gotta love a Cummins cider. There's my shenanigans of the day, okay? Mini golf is where the business deals are at, yeah? It's like Chuck E. Cheese birthday parties and stuff. Who would not pick super smart? If you're smart, you can make that 10 mil easily. I mean, I'd probably pick the strength. I'd probably like super strong, and then I would just go and like become a baseball pitcher for 5 years and make hundreds of millions of dollars. Throw at 70% and have like 110 mile an hour cooker. Just be a closer. That's it. Just well, put a little extra, go at 75%, or a little 150 mile an hour heater, you know, right, Dusty? I'd be an MLB closer. That's all I would be for like 3 years. Just throwing stink, man. It's Dickens cider. I thought it was Dixon cider. You do not want to. You do not want to listen to the cider song. It's so raunchy, man. I'm the smartest and the dumbest in the room at the same time. Are you just home alone then? Good to see a frog. How you doing, Chris? And Capital Jabrun. Good morning. Good to see you guys. Increased rate hikes potentially. Market friendly. What's going on, Chocolate? Good to see you, man. I picked super smart so that I can just print money in my basement and convince super strong people to work for me that I pay with that money. I like that. I like that. Take 10 mil. I have an IQ of 137, but brain damage from Iraq. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Smart with garbage memory. Yeah. Thank you for your service, bro. Show us your pecs. What? So everybody wants to be smart. What, you guys all dumbasses or what? Never have to sleep's interesting, man. Imagine what you could do with another 8 hours a day. I should have made it never have to sleep with consistent energy. That should be like, you know. And y'all want 10 mil. And 10 mil's a fart in a colander if you have super smarts or super strength. Come on, man. And Phil McCracken, yeah. And Seymour Butts. Seymour Butts and Phil McCracken are all hanging out at the pub Bear Flagging, drinking Dixon cider. Yeah. I'm going to get banned from YouTube. You guys know Canada, you know, I could get banned now for hate speech. So please just like the channel and subscribe so, you know, we can suppress the Canadian. I'm not here trying to offend anybody, okay? At the end of the day, I make fun of myself more than others. I want to serve you guys. Don't be rude. Who turned off the volume here, guys? What's going on? What is this? My God, we're gonna have to sit here for an hour talking. SpaceX up pre-market. I'm still looking for a buy at 103, guys. Micron down pre-market. Tesla break even. Marvel down. A-Lab down. So Palantir, holy smokes, what a move. I bought Palantir at 107. I had a buy down here, but I saw this dip. Up 40% on that move. Shopify, the only good Canadian business. Nvidia doing well. Google doing well. Breakout retest, breakout retest. Amazon too. Amazon's cooking. Same with Apple. And Microsoft had a big old blast off. So, man, that pink box on Microsoft. Woo-wee. I did not buy here. I choked, guys. Yeah, absolute choke fest. I had the buy level too. IBM still trying to recover here. Yeah, stock market looks. Some things are bouncing. Some things, you know, like SpaceX look like absolute dog shite. They trapped everybody again on SpaceX. Looking for like some sort of accumulation model within this area here. That's what I'm looking for this to like potentially come. Just like gold. We shall see. All right, pushing to that fair value gap here. Continuation up here for Bitcoin. Still no trades. Taking the trades, showing the trades, guys. Thank you for being here. Counts almost at 40 racks. Happy days. Up 5,000 this week. I haven't hit any like gangbuster trades. They're just pretty steady. Yesterday 2K trade. It was that's regular really. So we'll see. Insomnia is not a joke. Yeah, I bet. I enjoy the active sleep. I'm a great sleeper. A lot of people are jealous of, like, my wife hates how well I sleep. Insomnia is no joke, yeah. 100 mil for 15-second fights, like Tyson, yeah. That's it. Imagine being a boxer with that super strength. You just go in the ring and flick him in the forehead. You just punch his punches and break his hands. There's plenty of smart people who are broke ass. Absolutely. It can be, I would think, being too smart. Those stupid people, they're friggin' stupid. Everybody has a person that they have known in their life that is they're soaking wet. They're soaked. They're wet as shit, right? They're thick as shit. They're stupid, right? But they're so happy. Like it's so frustrating. They're just living the dream in their own little reality. They're not, they don't get irritated by taxes or politics. They typically are just dumb and happy, and they typically find a dumb and happy wife and a dumb and happy life, and they have a dog and a couple kids, and my sound is very low. Get low. It shouldn't be low. Am I too far away from the microphone? I think sound check, everybody. Is sound okay? Sound check. Checky, bang, bang. Sounds good. All right. Check your speakers. I haven't adjusted anything. Thoughts on Unitree? Looks like it's going to blow up against. No clue, man. Pull a fib on the 12-minute. Yesterday's orb top is directly in the golden pocket. Okay. SpaceX shares going to get unlocked this week. You think they're going to sell? Never have to sleep. That would be fantastic. We'd no longer have to sleep 4 hours a night. Bro Gold. See and buy entry. That's a very nice way of asking, man. You're very polite. Thank you for being here. Your gold entry is at 4,000 when we told you to buy at 4,000. That's where it is. Thank you. Does that mean? Sounds fine. Rotation down here. Good for me. Tyson test, okay. Into fair value gap. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up here, potentially. ES trying to hold here. NASDAQ as well. NASDAQ Steve ruggling a little bit here. Downtrending momentum. Coming into market open. Looking weak. Gold. Gold is flat, man. Gold is flat right now. Nice push up yesterday into consolidation. I'm looking for a retest at 4,200. We'll see if we get there. Fair value gap, tweezer top, rotation down. Coming back down here. Solana needs to come to 73. Waiting on that. So when price action is hovering above liquidity, okay, it's typically a trap, okay? Meaning, if you're going to look for the SFP, you must wait for confirmation back into the trading range. Because typically, this doesn't stop, okay? You get people trying to catch the knife here, and they get absolutely decimated. When we have clear as day lows in here and an imbalance down below, okay, and price is just hanging out above it, what do you think is going to happen? Right? The noodle slap is ready. Okay. So typically you want to short into it, but you also want to be aware of the recovery. I'm in no trades right now, just waiting, but same with Bitcoin not taking the low right here. And like yesterday, we got long off of the orb retest here. We got long right here with the Discord off of this guy right here. 15-minute high right here. Buy level. Okay. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Very nice. We took it right into this high here. Okay, very nice trade. But patience for now. This is should have shorted the fair value gap, eh? It's not really I don't trade fair value gaps. I use fair value gaps or imbalances in price action as targets. I don't have strategy based on them. But there you go. There's a fair value gap, retest, continuation down trade. It's not that they don't. It's not like they don't work. It's just for me, I haven't really back tested fair value gaps. Golden pocket 786, so that's a little bit more accurate in there. Fair value gap. So you got double confluence. I would typically potentially look for that, but it's like micro penis trading, right? So I stay away. I'm waiting for some volume to come in. I mean, the best time to trade is between, recently it's just like 9 till 11 o'clock and try to be done for the day. I mean, yesterday was proof of that. I mean, you get to 11 o'clock here. We took that last trade here until like 11:30, and then slow grind up all day long, and then slow, then dump, and then slow grind down into our buy level. Then we got bottoming structure in here. You could have longed into Asia. This was bedtime for me. And now we are slow grind down. So, and don't be twisted like this market, the candles in this market, these are just emotional candles. Look at these candles. Big green, big green. You buy the big green, guess what? Come back for you. Big green. Oh my God, they come back for you. Right? Green, 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 green. We're going to Valhalla. If you're emotional with these candles, you're wrecked. Okay? Right? Green, 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 green. You're wrecked. Right? So be aware of the conditions of the market that you're trading, right? For me right now, it's trying to take quality trades at key levels. And that's and a lot of the time it's just setting a couple alerts and going about my day. Right? Very nice. I like. What's going on, Crypto Poker? How you doing? I'd pick 10 million, move somewhere super cheap but beautiful, and live like a lord. You wouldn't? Yeah, I guess so. It'd get boring though. For me, I'd get bored, diggity. You know. Bitcoin up or down, sir? Down. Cow dung. Can you trade cow dung? I'm sure you could. Breakout retest for gold. NASDAQ rotation down. ES rotation down. Bitcoin looking to come for the low here. This would be my one idea right now. Other than that, this looks like shite. At least we got 300 people here hanging out. We take the trades every day. Yesterday was very violent. We had the initial push, the dump, and then the SFP. Buy level given for the SFP. I didn't take it. I took no trades on the live yesterday. I guess that was quite boring for you guys, but I saw a lot of you guys take trades. Anybody short right now? Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. I would like to congratulate you on your short entry. Maybe you traded London. Maybe you traded London. Shorts in the chat? Yeah, let's go. GG's, guys. GG's. Good work. Love it. Shorts in the chat. That's good. I can hear my family getting up. I'm going to have an early coffee along here. Because why not? Why not? This price action's absolutely turd. Turd burglar. But we will find something. Good things come to those who wait, right?
Gang. We won't stop rotation now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down through the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watching for, send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye bye, soul. Elevator down. control. Trapping the boost, drop at the top, get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Buy it.
Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by week, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, that candle was quick. Monkey mint, that's on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a rally, the big V whack slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest again. That's the plan. But top lesson trade wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 bye.
Optimization.
Optimization is stealing our lives.
I had a couple of glasses of wine. It ruined 3 days of my life.
This is how you level up.
Wake up at the same time.
Go to bed.
Hyper optimization has become a disease.
The internet has a way of taking a good idea and squeezing every ounce of nuance out of it, turning it into something ridiculous, and I think that that's happened again. It's always been an unspoken rule that improving your life was fine, as long as you don't talk about it. But the moment that you mention it to anyone, you become insufferable. Now it appears this trend of anti-personal development is going viral. You've probably seen videos and articles with headlines like, "How personal development ruined my happiness," "Why I quit optimization," "The self-improvement trap." It's called grind slop, and it's the idea that personal development has, somewhere along the line, lost the plot, or in some cases that it was always nonsense to begin with. If you follow me for a while, you'll know that this isn't some abstract thing for me. I have certainly contributed to this industry, and I think that there are legitimate criticisms against over-optimization, and I've been talking about the importance of just chilling the fuck out and the perils of grind slop for years now. Self-development went from exercising a few times a week and eating clean to HRV, cold plunges, red light therapy, expensive supplements, and VO2 max. It became a second full-time job on top of the side hustle that you're also supposed to be doing. Look, I'm no saint for either religion. I'm a reformed degenerate turned into a reformed optimizer. It's the exact same amount of sweating, just with a slightly smaller risk of accidentally taking fentanyl. I was an adult infant for a long time, and I needed to sort myself out, right? There's nothing more shameful than someone still playing the game that you do when you're 20, when you're 40. And that is the industry that I came from. And I didn't want that. I had to pay my dues, right? I spent a long time having a very elaborate morning routine. I would get up and go for a walk, get sunlight in my eyes. I would drink salt in water before it was cool. I would meditate and journal and do breath work and yoga and make sure my food was prepped, and I would read. All of this was me basically paying penance for being such an idiot for a long time. Professional party boy, DJ, model, Love Island.
Let's go. Bro's algorithm is cooked. Sweep of the low. It's a trap. Nasdaq still dumping. Solana still has to take the lows here. Is it playing Chris Williamson? That's all right. Some good tunes, eh? Got to close back within this range here. Those being taken. Considering long here. Solana coming down now. Sweep for Solana. Nasdaq's got a hold here too. Bitcoin failing here. Where are my glow sticks? Thank you, Cruz. How you doing, man? Coffee short today? Hooty hoo, Dr. Goats in here. What's going on, bro? How you doing, man? Ninja Otter Life. Let's go, Froth Dog. Two's in the chat. Congratulations. Put on subscriber only mode. Seems like a trap. Solana trying to bounce. Solana needs another candle potentially. Continuation down. No trade yet. Probably needs to come lower here, guys. Probably needs to come into here. Rotation. Considering a long here if we can bounce, but No bids coming in yet. Just says lower. This just says lower. That's all this says. NASDAQ lower. Biddy lower. Solana. Solana bounce. Solana's underperforming Bitcoin, so Bitcoin's going to lead the way if we're going to bounce here. See if Bitcoin can engulf your 1 minute pushback. Still bleeding out. No strength in the move here. Trying to hold on. Doji engulfing, potential long. 1 minute time frame though. Splitting hairs a bit here. Can engulf this candle, I'd be happy to go here. Considering long. Just look to take it up to the high, really. If it does, we take it up into here. Standard deviation. Got a minute and a half left on this candle. Still waiting here. No trade yet. NASDAQ sweep of the low bounce, potentially. So while we wait for candle closes here, still no trade. Looked good. Wasn't. Looked good, wasn't, right? Continuation down here. No trade yet. Still waiting. There she goes. Solana coming for the lows right now. Nice rollover here. Thank you everybody for being on the live stream, hanging out here. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. We got 300 people here on the live hanging out. Slow motion price action right now for Biddy. 40 people on X. What's going on? X people. X gonna give it to you. Nice pushback here. Can we bounce? NASDAQ trying to push. Solana still looks like it needs to take these lows here. Bitcoin can reclaim here. I'm long. I like Bitcoin a little lower though. Volume coming in. NASDAQ flat. Solana flat. If we can push up here, I'm long. Stop below the low. Feels trappy though. It's already sub only. What's that for? Subscriber only mode. Is it sub only? I don't even know now. What's going on, Lunar Beaches? Good to see you, man. How you doing? AlexO working in a hospital now. Hard to scalp trade. Learned a lot from you. You think it's possible to apply your techniques to higher time frames? Of course, yeah. It's just time horizon, right? Like it's intention of the trade, taking the setups based on that, but also giving yourself enough room for the trade to play out. No bounce here. Solana needs to come lower. Still no trade. Waiting for a sweep. Can it get going here? No bids coming in. NASDAQ rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over. Gold rolling over. Pre-market's down. Okay, so no trades here, guys. Still waiting. Looking quite gross here. Lower, lower, lower. Remember I said that SFP needed to come back in and close. Appearing bearish here, looking for it to hold down here. We'll see if it does. Want to see violence coming into this area here, considering a long if we get violence into here. There's some violence. Can we bounce? Solana coming in. Bitcoin key level. NASDAQ. Can it hold? Still no trade here. If we bounce, I'm long. It's got to go here. No bounce here. Still waiting. Solana, no bounce here either. ES coming for the lows. NASDAQ still bleeding out. Gold sweeping the lows. Bitcoin into buy level here, still bleeding out. There's some more violence, kind of bounce here. Big sell-off for Biddy here. Sweeping that liquidity in here. Lower. Still no trade. Twos are getting paid today, baby. Nice shorts, everybody. Shorts for the win. Solana lower, Bitcoin lower, NASDAQ lower. Everything bleeding out here. In a buy level, potential snapback, but no long yet. I want to see strengths come back into the market. Right now, this is just rolling over, guys. Nasty, nasty. NASDAQ looking to come back into here. Biddy not holding this level here. Big rollover. Twos in the chat if you're short. Let's go. No longs here. If we can push back here, I'll get long, but I don't see anything. Nothing yet. This is just don't go chasing waterfalls. Breakdown, retest, continuation down here for Biddy. No umph. No buyers stepping up here. NASDAQ bleeding out. ES coming for the lows as well. Solana taking the lows. Key level of support here. Solana can get back above and start trading there, but coming into that imbalance. Like explained here for the Discord, looking to come into this area this morning. Just don't see any buyers stepping up to bid up price here. Bitcoin as well, rotation down. Very ugly candle here. Thank you everybody for being on the live and hanging out here. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful morning. Bitcoin dying this morning. No trades right now. Potential V-shaped recovery on the plate here for Biddy, but where it happens, you tell me. Gold falling off a cliff this morning. Wow, that's interesting. All right. Pre-market Tesla down now. Micron majorly down. Okay. Well, little push here for Bitcoin. Considering a long. Can we bounce? Little bounce would be welcome here. Nothing yet. Pure weakness here, guys. Just bleeding out. Short's getting paid. Oil rising. Okay. Indecision at the lows here. Very overextended to the downside. Could look for like a little V-shaped recovery back into here. NQ, nothing. Nothing on the NQ. Considering a long here. Still struggling, right? I'd expect some sort of aggressive bounce. There's no aggressive bounce here. It's just like Doji's indecision. Doji indecision. Doji indecision. Looking for the NASDAQ to snap back here. Let's give it a try. I'm long. Just looking for halfway up the candle here. Pretty cheap trade. $500. Just looking for a pushback here for late shorts. We'll see if it does want to go. Push. I wanted to see NASDAQ pop a little bit. It's not really doing it, is it? We're in a buy level. Doji engulfing, continuation potentially back up the candle. Then we can go break even if it does want to go halfway up the candle. That's a good candle there. It's got to go here. Steve ruggling a little bit here. Just trying to get here. That's ugly. NASDAQ, no pop, man. No pop on the NASDAQ. Concerning to me. Don't be a dick for a tick. You gonna go or what? Are you scared? It's okay if you're scared. You can take it though. Dave, it's running away from me now. What the hell? Let's try to be patient. Bear market price action. NASDAQ still looks crap. Is it scared? TP1 hit. That's some fees, eh, guys? Holy smokes. $300 worth of fees so far. Jesus. You guys say you pay a lot in fees. You guys can sod off. You. Looking for that V-shaped recovery. GG's in the chat. It's the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's struggling here. Steve Ruglin, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Some shite price action, eh, guys? Holy smokes. Where's the first take profit? Well, we're looking to get up into the lows here at 64,400, but there's like a little order block here. You can tell if I go 1 minute time frame, you can see the order block here. So I'm front running that cluster with my major take profit. But this price action sucks, man. Look at that. Trapping longs. That candle here is pretty nasty, that 1 minute candle. Might get stopped here. That's a nice engulfing candle here. We'll see. I hate watching the 1 minute anyways. The 1 minute will make you cross-eyed, man. Indecision, though. 3 minute indecision, trying to continue here. I mean, my protected low is here for me. That would be my protected low, but gotta go here. Don't be a dick for a tick, right? Don't be a dick for a tick.
Out of gang, step into the clinic. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. You staring at the chart, paralyzed by the greed. Holding on a runner that is guaranteed to bleed. You won't take the profit cause your confidence is weak. Thinking this is the only green candle of the week. Get out your ranking chariot and execute the plan. Secure the bag, homie, step up like a man. If your strategy is tight, you find another play. Don't round trip the bag and give your wealth away. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick.
NASDAQ sign here.
Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win.
Bitcoin
then
might
win
need to do
again.
this.
Don't be a dick for a tick. We hitting base hits, we don't swing for the fence. A pocket full of profit is the absolute best defense. Wait for the VWAP, slap to hit the flow. Take your money, run away, and then we do it some more. Stop, top blasting. Homie acting like a clown when the pink box prints. You ride the money down. The market maker algorithms wanna see you break. So take the easy money that is yours to take. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital.
Well, here we are. Gonna get stopped out here. Should have taken the money, right, Dave? Stopped out. Wow. I got stopped out for a $29 loss. Are you kidding me? I just got stopped out for a $29 loss. I was up 150 bucks. Wow. That's fucked up, man. Welcome to bear market price action. That's disgusting, man. I'm complaining about that one. Oh, man. Look at that. That, you tell me your fees suck. Look at that. There you go. 5 minutes till market open here, guys. NASDAQ slow bleed out. ES slow bleed out. No trade right now. There's that slap. I'm not taking it again. I want to, but I'm not gonna. NASDAQ's not bouncing here, guys. So no strength. Solana. Eef. I mean, that's that slap. It's tempting, isn't it? Good long here. Stop below the low. Up to the red line. Got nice bottoming out here. NASDAQ's got a bounce here into market open. SFP bounce. SFP bounce. Come on. Let's do it. So slow, isn't it, guys? See where we gap to on the S&P this morning, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live stream, hanging out. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. We're here live every morning, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for being here. I'm break even for the day. Fortunately, but unfortunately, right? We'll see where we gap here. We got 2 minutes till market opens. Looking for Bitcoin to bounce. S&P not looking too hot. Market close. Solana not looking too hot. Bitcoin rolling over here, trying to see if we get bottoming structure into market open. No real follow through. NASDAQ trying to bounce. No real follow through either. We'd like to see NASDAQ bounce here, but weak sauce. Weak sauce. Considering longs down here, just wanting to see how we go here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. The only requirement is a good morning. We do a $1,500 giveaway today. If you want to sign up with the Bitunix link, it's pinned in the comments down below. You get VIP 3, trading fees, deposit bonuses, all the goodies, guys. So use that link pinned in the comments to participate in that beautiful, beautiful giveaway for you guys. Are you in the trade? Yeah, I'm in the trade. Can't spoon feed you guys all day. This is never financial advice. Do your own research. Take your own damn trades. We're here taking the trades every single day. We'll see how we go here. Looking for a pushback here on the market open. We'll see if we get it. I want to see NASDAQ pop back up, but here we go. Market is open. Big gap push. Can we push? Come on, bitty push, you namby pamby. Push. Yeah, Steve Ruglin. Come on. Might get stopped here. Ah, you're ugly, man. Gonna get stopped. I was up 600. Push. Dusty, you gotta buy, man. Dusty, press buy. Gotta go. Come on, Biddy, you can do it. Double bottom. Double bottom push. Come on. Come on, Biddy. She's struggling, man. She's really struggling. Down we go. That's what Spy says. Nasdaq rotating down. Solana trying to hold. Biddy. There we go. Stopped out. No? I should be stopped out here. Stopped out. Look at that. That's a nasty candle, man. There we go. Stopped out. What? Really? Shh. Shh. Oh, fuck. You gotta love fucking trading, don't you? What a joke. What? Whatever. Whatever. Do you guys want to keep watching it? GG's. Stopped out. Market's open. Gap down, gap filled. That's wild, man. This is a wild market to be in right now, guys. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Bitcoin should have been stopped out. Happy to take some money. Looks like it's going to push. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Jeez. I took 300 out of that trade there. That's wild, man. That's so wild. See if we can push here. You're welcome. NASDAQ bounce. Remember I said NASDAQ wanted the bounce, man. There's the bounce on the DAC, man. There's the bounce on the DAC. Soy Boy Lana holding key level of support here. Retest to previous lows. Into order block here, looking for a continuation up. Looking to get into like this high here, really. That's what I was looking for. A little bit torturous price action this morning. Holy smokes. You guys all getting paid this morning, you're welcome. It was literally like feather dusting the tip of my stop loss. Oh man, blow on it, guys. Congratulations on your long. You guys know I love seeing you win. That's some next level shit though. This is ugly. Price action wise, this is just turd burglar price action. That's what this is. Absolute Ted burglar. Turd is so much better said by a British person. That's why I married my wife, so I could get like better pronunciation on all the words. She doesn't say collage. She says collage. 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 She says can't instead of can't. You know? And she says bollocks instead of, I don't know, damn. It's the best, man. It's the best. It's kind of annoying that I got stopped out of this trade, guys. Nice little push here. GG's though. GG's. It's been a very chill stream today. I've enjoyed the stream today. I'm not trying to overtrade. Micron down, trying to gap up. SPY, indecision up at the highs here. Very overextended. Indecision as well. And Q continuing to melt. Solana, beautiful push out here. Bottoming structure, continuation up. Bitcoin, continuation up. Looking really good here. Target looking to be acquired into order block. Congratulations on your long, guys. Into our Bitcoin buy level that we were looking at. Retest to previous lows right now. So we're coming into a potential sell wall here. Potentially. So be aware. This is still bearish. Retest continuation down is still very much on the table here. NASDAQ is pushing though. So confluence, sweep of the lows, continuation out for Bitcoin. Nice little trade this morning, guys. Hopefully you're all enjoying the stream. We got 400 people here on the live stream. We're taking the trades, showing the trades. I mean, 2 trades today. Down $30, was up 150. And then another one. We almost got stopped out. Now we're perfectly up to that order block target, guys. So great trade. Great GG's for the gang here. You guys are all printing. And I'm not in the trade anymore. NASDAQ pushing. Micron pushing back. Tesla gap down. Recovery. Marvel recovery. SpaceX sweep and bounce. Bitcoin sweep and bounce. Target hit. GG's on your trade, guys. Great trade. Up only. Up only. If only I had just held that trade like a good boy. It's not easy in this market. Not easy to hold the trades. It's very slow. It's very choppy. Not too easy. But great trade nonetheless. Buy level, imbalance, bottoming structure. Same with the oscillator. All bottoming structure in here. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. Nice scalp. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next. Where is that 786 or what? Golden Pocket 786, yeah. Liquidity sweep. Imbalance in here. What was this in here? Just double checking here. Order block. Okay. Nice. Very nice trade. Pretty much no drawdown. Like, I mean, besides this weird ass candle at the bottom here that didn't stop me out. It's weird because on Bybit, right, my stop was below this low. On Bybit, my stop was below this low. On Bybit, it took the low. That's interesting to me because it didn't equal lows on Bitunix. If you look at Bitunix here, we got equal lows. Look, equal lows basically. It didn't come in. I had a little bit of wiggle room. On Bybit, it took it. Goes to show you. Pretty much luck. Great long here, though, guys. One's in the chat if you're long. GG's, everybody. I want to congratulate you. GG's. Love seeing you guys win, man. Ones. Blow on it. Nice. Nice. Good job, guys. Love seeing you guys win. Awesome. The spoon is real. Thank you for the lessons. Of course, Keen Bean. God bless you, man. Good work, guys. Pretty cheap trade, too, right? Orb is in now. Great trade, Frenchie. NASDAQ still climbing. Perfect trade. Perfect trade. Good execution. Good level. For me, I didn't hold it properly, right? Didn't hold the trade properly for me. This should be a $2,000 trade. I took 300 out of it, right? That's okay. That's okay. We're up 250 to start the day. I'm not going to complain about that. And you guys all are eating well today. That's the thing. So, happy days. So SPY gap fill here, trying to hold on here. Not that great of a tell on SPY. Higher lows. Bitcoin coming back down here after resistance, top of orb. Retested previous highs. Order block. Continuation trade here. Still downtrending, guys, so don't get it twisted. We are still downtrending. Solana cooling off, retested previous lows. Coming into a V-shaped recovery on gold as well, guys. That's juicy, man. That's very juicy. We were waiting for that NASDAQ slap, and we got it. Continuation up. Continuation up. Bitcoin trying to recover into VWAP. First sell wall here. Phone rang. I missed it. Oh, damn. Good job, Sonny. I sent you those indicators, Sonny. Good luck with your surgery, Sanir. God bless you. The levels always are on point, makes me lazy. I try, man. I try. Great trades, everybody. I'm not chasing this right now. Not in this market. Not for me, man. Bitcoin's still climbing here. Great push. Liquidity of the highs in here. Let's get rid of this guy here. Continuation out. Looking to come into here and VWAP. Or breakout, bullish, continuation up. Calling the low of the day, really? Pretty sexy. It almost came to their previous open. That's kind of interesting as well. I mean, we knew not to take the SFP this morning. That was critical, right? Like, otherwise you're wrecked. So that's a good job. And then we got bottoming structure, execution. Very good job. We caught this low, but we were early, right? Like, I think. And then we got slippage on this stupid wick here. Really annoyed with that. NASDAQ continues to climb. SpaceX bouncing. Micron full recovery here. Sweeping that 842 area. Marvel as well. Yep. So tech is bouncing nicely here. Yep. Nice bounce for tech. Coming into this range here. Volume level, retest to previous lows, so higher term time frame analysis, right? We can pull our fib now. What an entry, guys. What an entry. Looking good. Looking good. Generally now we're looking for anchor trigger wave, right? So we got the push out. We're looking for this. Anchor trigger wave, right? Generally. Keep it simple, stupid, right? Order block tap here. NASDAQ still climbing, guys. This is looking really good. Coming back for all this liquidity in here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Looking to come up into this high. Yeah, I would say these highs right here. NASDAQ V-shaped recovery looking strong. SPY struggling a bit, but SPY is overextended compared to NASDAQ. SPY is way up here, so consolidation in here is welcomed. Biddy trying to hold higher orb here. Great trades today, guys. This one a little bit early, but got out break even basically. This one perfect. Holding the lows, continuation out, calling the low. So we're good. Good work. Nice push here for Biddy. You guys all leave runners on your longs or what? Another day of 15-minute orb, never to see it again. Slow grind up. That would be sweet. Yeah, man. That would be sweet. Bless you, Jason. Thanks for being here, man. I seem bummed, bro. No, I was a little bit tired this morning. But I'm not bummed. I'm trying to. So this is like. Obviously, when you're on YouTube, you kind of like talk faster, put on like a. It's not an act, but it's like also it's like you want to have pace, you want to talk shit, you want to have fun, right? I wish I didn't get stopped. But no, man, just chilled today. I mean, I can't be full energy all the time, right? This is not normal. I'm in a great mood. I had a good day yesterday. Maybe I do have to go. I'm going to the dentist to get a cleaning today. Maybe that's like subconsciously. I'm like a fucking dentist, man. But I mean, I take good care of my teeth, so I'm not really. I just got coffee stains, so. Cause ain't nothing going to stop me from drinking my coffee. Even beavers need sleep. That's it, man. No, it's a good day, man. It's always a good day. We're going to go live in the Discord after this. See if we can find some more trades. The price action sucks, guys. Let's be real. It's slow. It's makes you wait. And failed or breakout. Interesting. I don't like these two candles up top here, but rounding, exhaustion, trying to hold. Still waiting. No trade. Volume level here, right? So like price action's going to chop around here naturally. This resistance, high volume level, so buyers and sellers very agreeable to exchange price action here. So a little tug of war in this area is to be expected. That's why that was our target for the long. We'll see. We're doing a giveaway today. That's exciting. $1,500. I mean, if I was new and I could win $1,500 when I was new, oh my God, I was trading with a $500 account, man. Fucking life-changing. If used correctly. Giveaway today. Thank you, Bitunix, for doing that for the community. $5,000 on the live, $2,000 in the Discord. Absolutely incredible, man. Hooking up the Otter gang. Continuation. NASDAQ continuing to climb here. There it is. Into VWAP here. Back into the range. Nice push. Continuation. Looking strong. Can it follow through? Looking good. Doji engulfing. Hanging man engulfing candle. This is continuation. If it holds here, we got 20 seconds left on this candle. This could be a fake out though. Don't wait for candle close. Always wait for candle close. Nice push here. NASDAQ coming back, sweeping these highs here. Solana pushing as well. Very nice. Okay. No engulfing. Could be a trap. No engulfing here. We'll see. Still no trade. I mean, I was looking for pullbacks into here. This is up only right now. So coming for all this liquidity. Right? This is our target into here. Now it becomes all of this, right? We're going to take this out into VWAP. Chop at the top though. Could be trapping longs in here. It is rounding too. On the 1 minute, we're rounding. So if we start to close lower in here, right? If we start to fully round, then we look to return to where we started, which would be coming back. Something like that. So we wait. Still looks good though. Constant bid, just very painfully slow, guys. So we caught the low of the day. Who else is doing that, right? Best stream ever. That's why everybody comes here and talks smack and enjoys clicking buttons. That's the reason why they come. Otherwise, you know, they wouldn't put up with my ass. I'm annoying as fuck, I'm sure sometimes. But you guys stay because the spoons are real, man. That's my epiphany. So all you guys want that for that $10 million, eh? That's where you're at. Okay. You just come for talking smack, F a button. Yeah, that's it, right? Notorious. My son is running around like a madman. Chop, chop, chop. Solana cooling off here. I'll take your 10 mil with my super smarts. Let's go. With you, have the smarts. You can make money. Just look at Alex. Muting curses. My son upstairs is running around like a madman. It sounds like an elephant's above my head. Can you guys hear it? Doof, 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 doof. You hear it? Sounds like an elephant stampede above my head right now. You guys can't hear it? My God. Doof, 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 doof. That's all I hear. Doof, doof, doof. Sounds like a hammer drills above my head. I guess it's this beautiful microphone. Doof, 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 doof. It's like Phil Collins, man, in the air tonight above my head. Doof, 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 doof. I can feel it. All right, let's do the giveaway. You handsome, beautiful, sexy, utterly fantastic people. Thank you for being here. I mean, I already gave you guys a giveaway. I spoon-fed you guys like crazy. But, you know, let's go with the classic.
Gang. Gang. Don't be a douche canoe.
Congratulations.
Don't be a nambi.
NDO.
Don't be
GG's, man. Thank you for using the link. NDO.
Don't be a nambi. Wait for the trade. All the gang.
SFP continuation on Bitcoin.
Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi. Don't be a
Way at Bond.
Don't be
Congratulations. Another 500 coming right up. Douche canoe.
Douche canoe. Douche canoe. Nambi pambi. Douche canoe. Nambi pambi. Wait for the train.
MIW. Let's go. Congratulations, guys. 2,000 tomorrow. Sign up with the Bitunix link. Support the channel. Hang out here. If I've helped you at all, you guys should be using my links because you guys love me. I'm kidding. You do whatever the fuck you want. I love you guys anyways. I'm just happy you're here. I'm happy you said good morning. Trading is lonely, so it's nice to hang out with you guys. We're going to go and trade in the Discord. Hopefully you all had a wonderful day. Great trade setup. We called the low today. Great job. Great job. So thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chip's low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them